So it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I just completed my tour of the city palace. So you see, there's this nice island out there, and it has a hotel. That entire hotel is called Jag Mandir Palace. It's also a property of the resort, of the city palace itself. And they have a package. They have a package of lunch and dinner. So the dinner is called Dine Under the Stars, and the entire package right now is 999 plus taxes for lunch and dinner. That includes a boat ride as well. So if you're going for lunch, and this boat ride is a part of the entire package, so you don't need to pay for boat ride extra. That's what we're going to go and see right now. Let's see how exciting it is, because I'm pretty sure the food's going to be awesome, but I also want to enjoy the boat ride that goes with it.
Looking on my back and you are still the same. I try to figure out why you can't tell the same. And I know you know all the things that made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know you know all the things that broke us. I see how to let you go. Take my hand and follow me out of you in my fantasy. Something cool, just something sweet. Follow you in my fantasy. I'll be there, you'll be with me. Out of you in my fantasy. A place for me, a place to be. Out of you in my fantasy. Side. Maybe we're crossing the line. Oh, you were making me cry. And I know you know all the things that made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know you know all the things that broke us. I see how to let you go. Take my hand and follow me.
Okay, so right now we are here at Jag Mandir Palace. So हम पहुंच गए हैं Jag Mandir Palace, which is in the middle of Lake Pichola, and the view is amazing. View is really great, because behind me I can see the city palace, I can see the Taj Palace, I can see Udaipur's palace, and in the distance from here I can also see Jagmandir. So you can see a panoramic view of the entire city from this place, and it looks so damn scenic. Whoa, it's so amazing. कहीं भी बैठ जाओ यार, everything has a view. And just look at the view, and we'll be having a lunch here.
See how to let you go. Take my hand and follow me. Out of you in my fantasy. Something cool, just something sweet. Follow you in my fantasy. I'll be there, you'll be with me. Out of you in my fantasy. A place for me, a place to be. Out of you in my fantasy. Side. Maybe we're crossing the line. Oh, you were making me cry. And I know you know all the things that made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know you know all the things that broke us. I see how to let you go. Take my hand and follow me. Out of you in my fantasy. Something cool, just something sweet. Follow you in my fantasy. I'll be there, you'll be with me. Out of you in my fantasy. A place for me, a place to be. Out of you in my fantasy.
Okay, so now that you've taken a tour around Jag Mandir Palace, let me tell you something about this place. So Jag Mandir Palace was a summer palace of the Maharaja of Udaipur. This was created basically as a recreation facility. There were gardens all around, and among the gardens there was this palace, which also acted as a recreation facility for the Maharajas and the princes and the princesses and the royal family at that time. Gardens, the view is exquisite. Right now, they have maintained this place very nicely because there's a gallery out here, there's a garden, there's a restaurant, there's a hotel. Also, there's a bar, there's a recreational facility, there's a gym, swimming pool, etc. So anybody who wants to stay here is gonna love this place. This also conducts destination wedding themes, and I just asked them for information, and they told me it might cost somewhere around 7,000 to 8,000 bucks for someone to get married at this place per person. You know. So right now, heading off to catch a boat to go back to the city. We plan to go to Sajjangarh Fort now, which is around 10 kilometers right from here. It'll take the entire evening for us. There's a curfew at 8 o'clock. We want to go and come back as soon as possible. Hopefully we'll make it and see how the palace is. I'll tell you more about it when I reach there. So as of now, take care, bye, and see you on the next episode.